All right, gang. So before I put the windshield wiper bezel back on, or cowling, or whatever you want to call it, plastic trim, the inside here, this cavity is a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. And I saw a video that there's some sort of, oh, there's the drainage port. There's drainage ports down here, which is very important. They look like cow nipples. You can see them right here. You're supposed to squeeze them and get them clear, so I can tell that they're full. And so we're going to go ahead and get all this cleaned up. I don't know if there's one on the passenger side. Probably not, but I'm going to get this cleaned up. And I won't do a video of the vacuuming, but I'll come back when I'm done.